Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, looking to move funds from PayPal to Binance to buy crypto. Well, there's no direct transfer option. In this quick guide, I will show you the safest and easiest workaround in under 4 minutes. You can't send money straight from PayPal to Binance, but here's the trick. Use a peer-to-peer or P2P crypto platform that accepts PayPal, but crypto like USDT or BTC. But buy crypto like USDT or BTC. Then transfer it to your Binance wallet. First of all, find a reputable P2P exchange that supports PayPal. Good options include Paxful, or even Binance P2P, but make sure the seller accepts payment. PayPal. Create an account in Paxful, verify your ID, and search for seller offers offering crypto in exchange for PayPal funds. Now enter the now I will use peer-to-peer from Binance. Just go to trade section, then P2P. You can click buy. Now here you can see the supported wallet. When you find PayPal, just click buy USDT. Enter the amount of crypto you want. Choose a verified seller with good ratings. Follow instructions to send the PayPal payment. After the seller confirms, the crypto will be released to your P2P wallet. Only trade with verified sellers to avoid scams. No, never mark a PayPal payment as friends or family. You lose buyer protection. Once the crypto is in your P2P wallet, go to withdraw section. From assets. Now copy the Binance deposit address. First of all, select the chain coin like USDT. Then paste it into the center wallet. Select the network like TRC and copy the deposit address from here and go to P2P site and paste it into the sender's wallet. Confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain to process it. And that's how you transfer funds from PayPal to Binance using a P2P crypto platform. Quick, simple, and effective. Just remember to trade safely. Hit like if this video helped you. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials and comment if you need help with the P2P part. I will respond.